Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing data and eliminating software causes. Back up your iPhone to iCloud or a computer, then update iOS. Software can sometimes clear display artifacts. Once done, force restart the device, remove any case or screen protector, and visually inspect the panel for cracks or pressure marks. Make sure to notice whether the green line appears at boot, in apps, or only after touch. This timing helps you decide if it's software versus hardware and directs your next step. Now you escalate to deeper diagnostics. First, perform a DFU restore to eliminate firmware-level faults. Follow the exact button sequence with iTunes or Finder. If the line persists after DFU, it's almost certainly hardware. Next, if you're comfortable, power down and open the phone with pentalobe drivers, grounding yourself on an ESD mat. Carefully disconnect and reseat the display connectors, inspect flex cables and shielding for corrosion, torn adhesive, or bent pins, and make note of any damaged parts to replace. Finish by replacing or reconnecting suspect parts, then thoroughly test the screen. Install a verified good display assembly, reassemble with correct screw order and torque, and power on. Check boot logo, color bars, and touch responsiveness across the entire panel. Once done, run extended tests for a few minutes to confirm stability. If the green line remains after a known good screen, make sure to consider logic board level faults, graphics IC or traces, and contact Apple or a board-level technician for repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.